Did you know that Pomeranians, those fluffy little bundles of joy, are actually descendants of much larger dogs? Originally bred from the German Spitz, they were used as working dogs before becoming popular companions. These spirited pups weigh between 3 to 7 pounds, but don't let their size fool you. They have a big personality. Pomeranians are known for their intelligence and can learn tricks quickly, making them a delight to train. Plus, their double coat requires regular grooming, but it's worth it for that adorable, fluffy look. With their playful nature and loyalty, they truly make the perfect companion. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe.